Okay, everybody, we're going to use the first part of this software today. We're going to use the Post Manager, do a normal post. We'll be doing tutorials of all the different things that this can do. This is video 1, so we're going to start with a new post, and we're going to name our campaign, and let's go ahead and name it Post 1. Select the pages we want to put it on. Now it brings in all your fan pages, all your accounts. So right now I just have these two in this one. So Social Leg VIP, Social Leg members. So we're going to go ahead and put it on Social Leg's actual fan page. Now this is where we could use just text if we want to. We can put a link in there and it will bring up the picture over here. We can put an image in there. We can do a video. We can pretty much post whatever we want with this part. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and put a link, and let's go with, let's see, let's go ahead and I need Social Leg. So we've got the URL. We're going to go ahead and just grab the Social Leg URL. And we're going to go back over to the software and just simply drop that in there. Okay. Now what it will do is it will bring up and automatically fill this up with whatever the SEO from that actual website is. So this is what it looks like here. So now we can enable a comment bot, which we will get to that in a new video. But for right now, we can either set this to send it over to Facebook now, or we can schedule it for a later time. So, but we're going to do now. All right. So once I hit this button, if everything works well, we should be able to go to Facebook now and actually see the post that we just put up. So let's refresh this page. And scroll down here. Let it load. It's a little, and there it is. Now what's so cool about it is, you know how usually you have to drop a link up here and the link will show? What's cool about this is it cuts that out. So Facebook reads it as just a regular post instead of a URL post, which that means it gets out there more. So that's the end of video 1, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Look for the rest of our videos in our membership area or our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.